want to welcome you to week 2 of Walk with the Doc videos. I'm Linda Corinne, a nurse practitioner and walk leader. And I want to tell you about a prescription that you can't fill at the pharmacy. Medical providers have been writing prescriptions for nature prescriptions. The medical community now sees that outdoor activities aren't just for recreation, they're a way to improve your health and heal. Exercise outdoors is a growing movement. Research into forest bathing, or you could describe it as taking a woodsy walk while tuning into nature, improves depression, reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, decreases heart rate, and improves insulin utilization to help prevent and treat diabetes. It's a positive choice that you can make, but I'm going to give you a little nudge by writing you an actual prescription. Healthcare professionals like me recommend that you set aside a time each day or several times a week to go outdoors. Some of the benefits you'll notice right away, and then you'll continue to notice them more and more. Relaxation. Studies have shown that spending time outdoors reduces markers of stress, such as increased hormonal levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. Physical activities, and by that we mean hiking, biking, strolling, gardening, are an important pillar of health, equal to the medications you might be taking. Social support, walking with others, or simply seeing and interacting with others in a park fosters community and lessens loneliness. Research has equated social isolation and loneliness with the equivalent effects of smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Improved mental health. Spending time in green space can lift your mood and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Awe. Looking at nature has been found to decrease signs of body inflammation and improve perspective. Fresh air. Pollution is linked to ills like respiratory illnesses, including COVID-19, cancer, and heart disease. Breathing clean outdoor air may reduce your risks. So I'm here to write you a prescription that you can't fill at the pharmacy, but you can fill it by deciding to go outdoors and participate in the walks that we're sponsoring, or a private on your own walk yourself or with friends.